can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it.
Or big knife. You people say they are big knife, but it's because in a kwanga very cheap. Let me show you guys. Big knife. Naonyesha their rolls are like 250 bob, 350 and 450. Ama wewe magi tungekuchukulia ya ini ya chicken ile si tumechukua, tungekuchukulia ya beef ndo tuonje.
And if a boy feel my joy, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my toes. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go.
We are a celebration. As much as we brought him, kuna hapa mmoja anaogopa ule ako nyuma ya kamera, hana nguvu.
Right, we have the accelerator. On your left, we have the brake. You can only press one at a time, but not both at the same time. Because when you're pressing the brake, you're holding the wheels from behind. Again, you can't go on pressing the gas at the same time. So it has to be one or the other. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, since this is your first time, we advise you for your first lap, go slow to the corner so that you'll be able to complete the turn. The whole idea is for you to be able to complete the turn. That's why I say slow. Because the more you go, you find that you don't even need the brake. You go at it, so that you are able to complete the corner. That's one. Secondly, be aware this car has no reverse. So if you crash, what we advise you, just raise your hand, remain seated where you are, where you have to start, and then somebody will come and pull you out of the tire. Then you can proceed on. Then lastly, as you're seated here, please remember not to lean your hand here. Why? Because this is the exhaust. Lean your hand here, sorry. This is the exhaust, it gets very hot. Lean your hand here to get burned. Serious burn that you can find your skin coming off. So avoid this one. So remember 3 things. Slow down at the corner. Raise your hand when you crash and don't catch. Yeah.
Accelerator again. And the brake.
Get ready.
Okay.
The next one. So,
3 things you're not supposed to do.
Yeah. And press them at the same time. And then slow reverse.
Okay.
Just stay there and raise up your hand.
Tuendeni mkavae nguo. Lazima. Yeah. Yeah, how you felt? Felt nice. Come, njoo.
I know.
Umejaribu. Kuna place nimeona ume lose control. Nini ilikuwa inafanyika? Ulikuwa unaenda kacha. Gari ya Magili kataa kuenda.
Aligonganga. Aligonga.
Chaenda nitaenda after hii.
Wewe unaenda peke yako?
Asi tunaenda na wewe the next round. Wangoi, don't let me down this time. Hi.
Here she comes. Apewe mbili kwa bill yangu leo.
Congrats. Hapo ndo champion.
Jaribu
kukupita na shindwa.
Davis, how was it? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
It was good. Now we can go home, sindio?
Yeah.
Tumechoka sasa?
Nice. I was number one.
You are number one. Jipige kifua.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. How are you? So, kama wewe ni mwenyeji mbili kwa my bill. If you are new here, well, thank you and subscribe to this channel. Always kuna noise kwa background like camera iko. I guess I just had to wipe it. So, nimechelewa. Ndo naenda. Oh, it's on Saturday. There's this car workshop that there's this car workshop that I was nominated to go to. Not nominated. There's this workshop that we are going to. Ibage fungiki na nipe stress. See you there. Today I had gone for like this actors workshop that I've been. Not speaking recording. Yeah, but the one was nice. Socially anxious just a little bit. By the time like they were done for the day, I was good to go. Tomorrow is a new day.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it.
So hi guys, today we are in day 2 here. In some fine day pics. Today I'm early. It's 8:45 and I'm here already. It is freezing because of the cold. After I chose a bad hairstyle today. Yeah, so that's my day so far.
Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as that goes, God don't watch over.
So guys, it's lunchtime, day 2. Day 2, yeah. Stage of the workshop. I'm very excited. If you people don't already know, I have been going like to certain master classes. Can you see me there? Really? Yeah, you know you're seeing me. So I've been going to these master classes for acting and I'm so excited. That's why we're on day 2 right now. They are in Noir Gallery. Yeah, do you want to see my feet?
And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.
2 days that I've been here, we've been taking like, today I'm not lying, today I was embarrassed to take the pictures because you know. But so on the other days, like since yesterday we've been eating like vegan meals and I am loving them. There's not like nyama ndio tu kusema. I've been trying out options and apparently I love mushroom now. Yeah.
Is this for you?
Yeah, it's so
hello. My name's Joy. I'm not from around here.
Yeah.
But it's nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you too. I don't know that.
Yeah, you see people are nice here.
Come rewind, girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Girl, I love you every day. Diamonds on you, my money I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, chase. I feel this for you every day. When you call, running back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you lazy, I go drive me psycho. Baby, every dirty, don't they make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes. Show you many things you can utilize.
We're done for the day. Aki, my hair is looking. Is this the same hair that I came in with today in the morning? Try to up with an afro when it's cold and rainy. This is what you get. Like right now, it looks like I'm from waking up or something. My God.
Like I'm finding it exact. But
Instrumentals by Audible.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Wake up, gotta get this paper, get this cake up. Gotta do my hair, gotta put on makeup. Gotta act like I care about this fake stuff, straight up. What a waste of my day, if I had it my way. I roll out of bed, say.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today is the last day of my workshop here. I'm loving this workshop, so I'll be applying for more. Day 3, day 4. Oh, yesterday we had to do it online, so I didn't record nothing. No, you can pass. Yeah, but for today, I had to come. So I had a wardrobe misfunction. You guys always like see my nipple and my boobs when I'm wearing white clothes. Here, see? Right now you can't see anything, but if you're standing like close to me. Yeah, but this is day 3, guys. Man, so happy.
You're gonna get rejected, as you guys know, 99%.
Yeah.
So it's just literally never losing sight.
What I am trying to say is that love is ours to make, so we should make it.